Standard 3rd, Environmental Studies, Lesson number 20, our community life. Look at this picture. What differences do you see in the two pictures? In the first picture, the girl is sitting all alone, and the other, she got the company and she is happy. Now let us discuss why she is happy and why we also become happy. Because we like the company of other people. At home, we live with our parents. We want our parents and also neighbors. We miss our friends. We want our friends if we can't meet them. We miss our pets. If we have pet, we miss that also when they are not around. Community life is interdependent. What does it mean? Let us see. Here the girl is talking to a group of children. Look here. Girl is talking here to a group of children and all are discussing some or the other thing. We all need community life. We are social animal, so we all need community life. If we don't have friends, suppose, see how we all enjoy together. Children holding hands in a circle. If we don't have friends and other people around us, who will we speak to? We want someone to speak. Who will we share our joys? When we are happy, we want to share that joys. We want to share our sorrows. Look here. Helping a boy who has fallen off his bicycle. This happens in a community, or means some or the other people should be there around us. Now what do you mean by cooperation? Cooperation means in a community we get companions. We feel secure in their company. Means we have our companion and we feel secure there. We help them and they too help us. This is called cooperation. Doing work together or doing teamwork is called cooperation. All alone we cannot do a work. Mutual cooperation. Now mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of the community. Greatest benefit of community life. Rules are needed to build this cooperation. Look at this picture, how they are playing or they are helping each other. This is called mutual cooperation. And they are enjoying in that way. Our daily needs are filled in community. All alone we cannot handle many work. So these are the daily needs. And our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. How? Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Education. In school we go together, we learn. Health facilities, many people are there. If you go for your health for a checkup and all, many people are there to help you. So these facilities are developed in the community. Goods. What are goods? Goods are means things that people make or grow to sell. These are the things we use in our everyday life. And good is something you can see and feel. It is something you can use. These are goods. and these goods have to be produced to satisfy needs. This is called production of goods. We go to many places to buy our things. These are our daily needs, and this is called the production of goods. And what is service? Service means the process of reaching those goods to people. Many people help us. They serve us, actually, they serve us, and this is called service. Reaching those goods to people is called service. Production and service are both necessary to satisfy needs. There has to be production. Look here, the land is there. From this land, we got something to use. Here, it's been made something, and here finally we are paying here. So, the production and service are both necessary to satisfy our needs, our daily needs. And in this, many people contribute to this. One person cannot produce everything, neither can he give all services by himself. See here, many people are there to serve us, to help us. We also help them, and they also help us. Many people are there. So, in this session, what we have learned, that community life is interdependent, means all alone you cannot do any work. People like to live in community. We like to live in community. And what we have seen in community? Mutual cooperation. You help me, I will help you. This is called the mutual cooperation, is the greatest benefit of community. And because of this, because of the mutual cooperation, our daily needs are fulfilled in our community life. Thank you.